Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The Honda Civic from 2006 to 2011 can present the diagnostic trouble code DTC P0733, which indicates a problem in the third clutch and its hydraulic circuit. The phrase third gear incorrect ratio refers to the transmission's inability to shift properly into the third gear ratio, leading to inconsistent or improper performance when this gear should be engaged. The affected components primarily include the third clutch assembly, which is crucial for engaging third gear, and the hydraulic circuit that operates it. These elements are typically located within the automatic transmission assembly. Transmission issues can be complex, often requiring thorough inspection and precise measurements to diagnose accurately. Standard diagnostic procedures involve using the Honda Diagnostic System HDS, a tool that assists in reading DTCs and freeze data. It's essential to follow a systematic approach to troubleshooting to ensure all potential causes of the problem are addressed. The DTC P0733 points to an issue with the third clutch assembly and its associated hydraulic circuit. The third clutch is essential for engaging the transmission in third gear, and any problem within this component can lead to improper gear ratios. The hydraulic circuit delivers pressurized fluid necessary for the clutch to engage correctly, thus ensuring smooth transitions between gears. This assembly resides within the automatic transmission, which is situated at the vehicle's underside. The hydraulic circuit relies on various components, including valves and pumps, which need to function optimally for the transmission to work. Diagnosing this DTC requires not just identifying the current error, but understanding the underlying components and their interactions within the hydraulic system. Several possible causes lead to the triggering of DTC P0733. First, incorrect levels of automatic transmission fluid, ATF, can impede proper hydraulic functions, affecting the clutch's ability to engage. This can result from leaks or insufficient fluid changes. Additionally, contamination in the form of metal debris or excessive clutch material within the strainer can point to significant wear in the transmission, indicating that a replacement might be necessary. Lastly, failed components such as the ATF pump or shift valves can severely impact the hydraulic pressure needed for proper gear shifts. Accessibility and inspection of these components are crucial to diagnosing the issue accurately and implementing effective repairs. Symptoms associated with DTC P0733 may become apparent during daily vehicle operation. Commonly, drivers may notice transmission slipping, where the transmission unexpectedly disengages, leading to loss of power and control. Delayed shifting is another warning sign, where there's a hesitation or extended time before the vehicle shifts into the third gear, impacting acceleration and overall performance. Unusual noises, such as grinding or whirring during operation, can indicate internal damage or wear within the transmission system. Observing these symptoms can provide insights into the transmission's health and reinforce the need for comprehensive diagnostics. These behaviors can not only affect driving safety, but also potentially lead to more severe transmission failures if left unresolved. The first step in troubleshooting the DTC P0733 involves warming up the engine to its normal operating temperature. This ensures the vehicle's systems, including the transmission, are functioning under typical driving conditions. You can confirm this by observing whether the radiator fan engages, as this is a good indication that the engine is at the desired temperature range. It's crucial to ensure the engine's temperature gauge reaches an optimal level before proceeding. A well-warmed engine allows for more accurate diagnostic results related to fluid viscosity and transmission performance. By following this initial step, you set the foundation for any subsequent checks, ensuring that changes in transmission behavior can be correlated with the proper operational state of the vehicle. In the second troubleshooting step for DTC P0733, checking the transmission fluid level is essential. Ensuring the transmission is filled to the recommended level is crucial, because low or high fluid levels can lead to insufficient hydraulic pressure. Additionally, inspecting for leaks around the transmission can reveal areas where fluid may be escaping, which can lead to low levels over time. It's also vital to examine the condition of the automatic transmission fluid, ATF. Contaminated fluid, which may appear burnt or discolored, can indicate internal damage or wear. If any issues arise during this inspection, they must be addressed before further diagnostics can be accurately performed on the transmission. Only when the fluid situation is confirmed adequate should you proceed with deeper checks. The third step involves draining the automatic transmission fluid, ATF, through a strainer, which allows for an examination of any debris or contaminated materials. This procedure is critical because the presence of metal fragments or excessive clutch material can indicate significant wear within the transmission, likely leading to performance issues like the third gear incorrect ratio indicated by DTC P0733. It's essential to inspect the strainer thoroughly for these materials, as they can reveal crucial insights about the transmission's health. If metal debris is found, it typically suggests that internal components may be failing, necessitating a transmission replacement. If there is no contamination, the next logical step is to replace the ATF due to wear and age, ensuring the system has clean and effective fluid for optimal function. The fourth troubleshooting step requires measuring the line pressure within the transmission. Line pressure is crucial for various operations within an automatic transmission, serving as the foundation for proper hydraulic function. It's imperative to confirm that the measured line pressure is within service limits, as specified in the Honda service manual. If the line pressure is too low, this indicates possible failure of the ATF pump or other hydraulic components, which would need immediate attention. Conversely, should the line pressure be found acceptable, it allows you to proceed to the next step. By accurately gauging line pressure, you can uncover hidden issues that could lead to the symptoms observed with DTC P0733. The fifth step in diagnosing DTC P0733 is to measure the pressure of the third clutch. This pressure is vital, as it directly correlates with the clutch's ability to engage and disengage correctly, affecting the vehicle's transition into third gear. Ensure this pressure measurement remains within Honda's specified service limits. If the pressure is found lacking, it could be indicative of failing components such as shift valves A and D, or issues with the hydraulic circuit. These failures can lead to improper clutch engagement, worsening the symptoms reported under DTC P0733. Accurate measurement of the third clutch pressure can directly influence the next steps in the troubleshooting process, guiding you toward necessary repairs or adjustments. In this step, you'll need to turn the ignition switch to the on position, denoted as 2 in the diagnostic procedures. This action prepares the vehicle for the next diagnostic processes, specifically for clearing any existing DTCs using the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS. By utilizing the HDS tool, you can reset any stored errors in the system's memory, providing a clean slate for testing the vehicle's performance after initial repairs. This preparation is crucial because sometimes DTCs may linger in the system, leading to confusion regarding persistent issues. Once you clear the DTCs, you are ready to carry out operational tests to confirm whether the repairs have been effective. A proactive approach in this step will help ensure that subsequent diagnostics yield clear results. The seventh step involves taking the vehicle for a test drive in third gear to assess its performance following the previous diagnostic steps and potential repairs. During this test, it's necessary to maintain a speed over 7 miles per hour, 12 kilometers per hour, and ensure that the engine speed remains above 1,000 RPM. These conditions allow the transmission to operate under typical driving circumstances while still pushing it to engage the third gear effectively. Closely monitor how the vehicle handles during this period to observe any slipping or abnormal behavior. The goal is to determine if the repairs made have resolved the issue indicated by DTC P0733. Without conducting this real-world test, it would be challenging to ascertain the full effectiveness of any repairs. During the 8th troubleshooting step, you need to verify if DTC P0733 remains present in the vehicle system after your test drive. Using the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, check for any pending or confirmed DTCs to ascertain whether the issue persists. If P0733 is indicated, it suggests that the repairs or adjustments made did not solve the underlying problem with the third clutch or its hydraulic circuit. Conversely, if no DTC is indicated, it is an encouraging sign that the issue may have been resolved. This step is crucial for validating the effectiveness of your previous repair attempts and enables you to determine whether further investigation or action is necessary. In the 9th step of troubleshooting DTC P0733, it is essential to monitor the onboard diagnostics (OBD) status for this code. Using the HDS tool, locate the DTCs menu and check whether the system indicates a passed status. A passed status signifies that the vehicle's onboard computer has not detected any faults regarding the previous repairs performed. This is a positive indication that the hydraulic and electronic systems are functioning correctly after your intervention. If it indicates failed, further investigation into poor connections or loose terminals may be required to ensure proper performance. If the system is indicated as not completed, return to the previous step to repeat the necessary conditions for accurate monitoring. For the 10th step, if the DTC status shows not completed, you'll need to conduct a repeat test drive in the same conditions as before. This includes ensuring the vehicle is in third gear and maintaining the prior speed and engine RPM parameters. By repeating this operation, you're allowing the vehicle system the opportunity to gather fresh data and assess whether the previous and current conditions yield different results. This step aims to reevaluate the performance, address potential intermittent issues that may not have shown during the initial tests. An accurate test drive can help clarify whether further action is necessary or if existing repairs are effective. The 11th step mirrors earlier diagnosis efforts, requiring another test drive in third gear under specific conditions. You'll again need to maintain speeds in excess of 7 miles per hour and engine RPM above 1,000. This repetition helps to confirm earlier findings and validate whether repairs have indeed resolved the issue, as indicated by DTC P0733. Consistency in achieving these parameters is crucial to effectively assess transmission performance. During this drive, keenly observe for any signs indicating issues such as harsh shifting or slipping. It serves as a crucial checkpoint in the troubleshooting process that can guide further repairs or indicate the completion of the diagnosis. Once all diagnostic and repair efforts have been conducted, the final verification step is essential to ensure the effectiveness of the resolution to DTC P0733. Confirm that the DTC has been cleared using the HDS tool, indicating that no further issues are detected at this time. As a best practice, a thorough road test should be carried out, focusing on the behavior of the transmission during various driving conditions. This test should confirm that all transmission functions perform as expected without any erratic behavior. If successful, it serves to validate the repaired status of the transmission and upholds overall vehicle performance. A successful verification process is crucial to ensuring customer satisfaction and vehicle reliability. To prevent future occurrences of DTC P0733, regular preventive maintenance is critical. Routine checks on the automatic transmission fluid, ATF, should be implemented to ensure the fluid level remains adequate and the fluid condition is optimal. This includes timely changes of the ATF as recommended by Honda, helping to prevent contamination and wear within the transmission components. Observing the vehicle's transmission behavior during regular operation can help catch any signs of problems early before they escalate. Ensuring these practices are in place contributes to extending the life of the transmission and maintaining the vehicle's overall performance. Implementing these preventive measures can significantly reduce the likelihood of facing similar DTC issues in the future. In conclusion, understanding and addressing DTC P0733 involving the third clutch and hydraulic circuit is crucial for maintaining the Honda Civic's performance from 2006 to 2011. A thorough diagnostic process that includes multiple systematic checks is essential to pinpoint and rectify the underlying issues. The steps highlighted in this guide not only assist in resolving the DTC, but also reinforce the importance of proper transmission maintenance and repair. Additionally, embracing preventive care can help avoid similar problems in the future, ensuring vehicle longevity and reliability. Finally, ensuring that all repairs are meticulously verified guarantees the overall effectiveness of the troubleshooting process, ultimately leading to improved vehicle functionality. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.